I love the pain. It sets me free.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a gorgeous day. Today I am back with my updated closet tour. I did one of these videos, I'm going to say maybe about 4 months ago or even more, but ever since then I added new shelves, new pull-out drawers, and tons of new things. So I wanted to do an update for you. Plus I've also been getting so many questions and comments on the dimensions of my closet. So I actually made a whole entire list on my blog, FABIOLAG.com, and I listed everything that I will mention in today's video, as well as the dimensions and everything that I have inside my closet. So check it out if you have questions about the sizing, etc. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. I'm Fabiola. I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love everything pink and girly, so if you love any of that, consider subscribing. Also click that notification bell so that way you get notified when new videos are uploaded. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So here's an overview of my Ikea Pax closet, and I will be linking everything, or at least most of all the items that I will mention in today's video on my blog, so check it out. It's FABIOLAG.com. I will also leave you the exact dimensions of both of the frames. So in my closet, I do have two different frames. I have the 39-inch frame, and then I also have the 19-inch frame. And then on the side here, I also have some of the floating shelves. So I'm gonna start off first with the top. So on the top here, I just mostly display all my like boxes and bags. I have Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel. And then moving down to the side on this 19-inch frame, this is where I display a couple of my handbags. So here I have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and this one here is in the PM size. I also have this little mini pochette that I use all the time, and I like to leave it in the front because this is basically my wallet. So down here in the bottom, this is where I have a couple of my clothes. Here I have mostly shirts, and these are like my favorite, and they're also mostly all pink and white. I also have these really pretty Chanel inspired coats that I got from Sally Allen Fashion. They are gorgeous. They have like little beads on them. This is what it looks like, but it's absolutely stunning, and it's from Sally Allen Fashion. And I have them mostly sorted out by color, so I do have a lot of pink, and I also have a lot of white items. And to be honest with you, I think everything in here is from Express. I do shop from Express quite a bit. It's one of my favorite stores. So everything here except for the Sally Allen Fashion coats are from Express. So over here, this is where I hang my Chanel mesh tote, and I adore this tote so much. It's so practical and it's great for the summertime. I also added these little beads to it. I got these from Amazon, and I think these are like a great find. It makes any bag look really, really pretty. So as you can see, this closet is pretty deep, so there is a lot of room. So down here I have my Coach handbag. This one here I got for Christmas. I also have these pearl sandals that I got last year, and these are my favorite sandals. They are so pretty, and I use them a lot for the summertime. So down here is where I have all my pants and jeans, and I also have a couple pairs of shoes. And this is like my favorite part of the closet because everything is so organized in here. This here is like a pull-out hanger. Let me move this here. And you can fit so many pairs of jeans in here. So you can fit about 2 pairs per side, but if needed you can even fit up to 3. But I just love this because it's like just tucked away and it looks really nice. So in the bottom here I have a couple more shoes that I use. And I try to alternate them. So during the summertime, I take out my high heels, my sandals, and I put them here. And then I take away like the other ones that I don't use. In the back here, I just have more shoes that I don't really use on an everyday basis, but I just leave them in the back. On the side of my closet, I just have this Gucci bag and this Louis Vuitton. So on the top of this shelf, I have some more bags, and I have my Louis Vuitton Pichette Matisse in the pink, and this one here is my favorite at the moment. It's so pretty, and I added this like little furry pom-pom, but absolutely love this bag. It's like my favorite at the moment. In the back here, I have one of my newest bags that I recently got. This one here is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Damier Azur in the MM size. I also added this furry little pom-pom that I got from Amazon. And on this side here, I have my Coach bag, and I got this pretty little bag for Mother's Day, and it's just so pretty. I also love that it has like little feet on the bottom, and I really wish that the Louis Vuitton handbags would have little feet on them. That would make them like perfect. So down here in the middle, I changed it up a little bit. This is what I had on the middle shelf. So over here I have my Gucci bag, and this one here is the interlocking, I believe it's called the dollar interlocking bag. And I believe this one here is made out of sheepskin, if I'm not mistaken. But I got this a few months ago, and I really love it. I love the way it opens. So it's just like a little bit different than the other bags. And in the middle here, I have this adorable little teddy bear. This is a rose teddy bear, and it has like a little Chanel ribbons to give it like an inspired Chanel look. And this one here is from Le Fifi. I will leave you her exact links, but she makes the most adorable little bears ever. Moving on to this side, I have this adorable little Chanel handbag. This is, I believe, the Chanel Mini. It's a quilted bag, and I added these little pearls that I told you guys that I got from Amazon. They just make any purse look so pretty. And this little bag is just so adorable. I love it. It has like this like gold chain. So I placed it on top of these books. I have a Chanel book and then this adorable Gucci book. I also have these two little macaroons that just store random things. I think they're actually empty. So moving down to my favorite part of the closet. This one here is my favorite part of it. And I love it because I can display everything. I can see what I have. And it just makes getting ready so much easier. So over here I have these little heels. I have these feathers, and I love those shoes. I mostly use these for photo shoots. I did a photo shoot not too long ago. So I just kind of use them for display because they're just so pretty. Over here on this side, I have this flower in this golden vase, and I also have this Louis Vuitton book and the Yves Saint Laurent book. And let me show you what the book looks like. So it has like a little LV inspired logo there, and then I also have my favorite candle at the moment. This is Sweet Pea, and I actually got this from Target. It smells so amazing. On this side here, I have some Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks, and I really don't even use them, but I just think the packaging is just gorgeous. It's golden and it goes perfect with the theme. And I also have my favorite YSL lipstick. I'm sure you guys have seen it a lot in my pictures. I adore that lipstick. It's so pretty. I also have this Sugar Berry from Good Chemistry perfume. It smells so nice. It's very sweet. In the back here, I have my Louis Vuitton pouch. And this pouch is the one that came with the Neverfull tote bag. So on this part right here, I really love, this is one of the other things that I added to my closet. It's this pull out part right here that you can hang all your necklaces, and I love this here because whenever I want to get ready, I can just see everything that I have and I don't have to be like searching all over for it. And it also keeps your necklaces from like not getting tangled. Plus you can display your prettiest necklaces in your wardrobe, and that's what I do. So I just have like one of my favorite necklaces there. I also have my pearls that I really love. I love pearls. So I just have like different random necklaces, mostly my favorite ones. So down here is where I have all my accessories, and I actually added this second pull-out drawer not too long ago. So this part here comes with the dividers. You can also choose to get it without the dividers, so I did one with and one without the dividers. And here is where I display all my sunglasses, and a lot of these are from the brand Sojo's, and then this one here is Ray-Ban. I forgot what brand these are, but they fit like so perfectly. It's almost like this was meant to be for sunglasses. Over on the side, I have some of my favorite hair clips. These are just so pretty that I thought they needed to be displayed. Over here, I have this adorable little case. These are from Co-Cases, and it's just super pretty. I actually have a giveaway right now, so make sure to follow that and check it out. And on this side here, I have my two belts. This one is the Louis Vuitton, and then I also have this Gucci belt, which I don't know, I'm thinking on selling it and getting the smaller size. So if you guys know any place where I could sell like Gucci stuff, let me know. In the back here, I have my Neo Noe strap. This is from the purse that I owned. I also have these pretty little pink earrings. I got these from Target. They're just super pretty. I also have some little wallet, and I have the Gucci dust bag. I also have this necklace. I've had this for quite a while. I don't really use it, but I think it's so beautiful. Here I have some more dust bags, and then just like random stuff in the back. I also have my Michael Kors wallet. So on the second drawer, this is also very new. So I got these beautiful organizers. These are from the brand Blando. And look how gorgeous they look. They fit perfectly. The only thing is that two of them are taller than the first ones, but I'm not sure why, but it still looks pretty good. You can fit all your earrings. I have here like a Gucci YSL, a couple of my favorite ones. Actually, this one's on the wrong side. It must have fallen. I have these pretty little flower earrings and a few of my rings. I also have some ear studs there. And in the back here, I still have to fill it out. I have a bunch of other jewelry that is in an armoire that's behind my door. So I have to sort it out so that I can fill this up. But it's really nice because you can put them individually. That way you can see them and they won't get lost. So I would highly recommend something like this. Plus it's pretty big. Over here I have some of my bracelets, some more pearls. I have these hair clips and then these adorable little compact mirrors. Over here on this side, I still haven't filled it out yet, but you can literally put anything like your watches or your watch straps. I also have Pandora bracelets, some more hair clips, some more Pandora, and look at this adorable little Coco Chanel case. It's so adorable. So that is what I keep on this drawer. I also have these remote controls, which let me show you. So I got this from Walmart and it was only $17. It's a dimmable light. It came with 5 lights and you can literally like change it to all these colors. Plus you can choose from the white light and you can dim it up or down. So right now it's in pink because that's what I last used it. But let me put it back to white. So here it is, all white light. And let's switch it back to pink. Look how amazing this is. And it even came with like all the batteries, everything included, and I really love this. I think it's like amazing. So definitely check it out. It's from Walmart, but look at all the colors you can change it to. Okay, so down in here, I have 3 drawers. The first drawer here, I decided to put the glass drawer just because I think it looks so beautiful. Plus, I can always display some of like my pink robes or pink pajamas and add a couple handbags. So as you can see, these drawers are huge and you can fit so much. I have 3 different rows. And don't mind me, they are a little bit messy. So here I just have like some pajamas, some robes. This one here's my favorite. It's like made out of this like super soft velour. And on the back here I have some scarves for the winter time. And then on this side here I have some more bags. I have this one here. It's the Louis Vuitton Pichette accessoire. I also have a dust bag. I have this Coach bag, and then this one here from Steve Madden. So on the second drawer here is where I keep most of my shirts. I have some more here from Express. Like I said, I do shop a lot of Express, so a lot of my clothes are from there. And in the bottom here is where I keep all my leggings and all my shorts. So let me also show you this floor mirror. I love this mirror here. It's great for trying on your clothes and it's pretty tall. So I'll try to link it down there as well. I also added this adorable fluffy rug. I got this from Amazon. It comes in so many sizes and colors, but it's just super soft. I love waking up and just putting my feet here. It's adorable. So on this side here, this is also pretty new. I added it not too long ago. These are floating shelves, also from Ikea, and I have this new bag that I got from Amazon. It's super pretty. It almost reminds me of like a Chanel bag. And then over here I have this Coach purse that I got from Mother's Day last year. I also have my favorite Marc Jacobs perfume. And in the bottom here I have my name. I got these from Artsy Craftsy. She is just so talented. She customizes letters. She has so many beautiful styles. I adore this here. It's like so well made. She also has a YouTube channel, so I'll link it down there below so you guys can subscribe to her. So down over here, it's not part of the wardrobe, but it's next to it, so I might as well show it to you. I have my Louis Vuitton inspired rose teddy bear from Shop Pink Glam on Instagram. I'll link it to you guys down there below. It's super pretty. I also have these perfumes that are the ones that I use a lot, and my iPad, and then this little table. So that was it for my closet tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down there below what you think. I will be having an amazing Amazon haul coming up in the next couple of days, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will also be hosting a giveaway on some amazing Amazon dupes. So yeah, I hope to see you all in the next time. Bye.
Y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelva a ver. Yo te quiero pero déjame.